In this video, I will show you how to fix can't add phone number on Steam. So if you want to know how to fix it, what you can do is you can head over to your browser on your Steam. And if you're having trouble adding your phone number, the first method that we can do is you can just head over and then sign out and then sign in again. Head over and click right here enter your account username and click onto this sign out of account. Once you have done this, just head over and then sign in back or sign back in. Just enter username as well as password. And if you have any authenticator, just head over and use that. However, if that doesn't resolve your problem, what you can do next is you can head over right here to your browser and go to the three dots. Then from in there, just scroll down until you can find settings. And into your settings right here, just search in here for cache. You can see in here this delete browsing data, just head over and click on it. But for this one, just choose in here all time and choose in here the cache images and file. And after I click on this delete data, and you can try going back to Steam again if that resolved the problem. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.